Yo, all right, we back, man. Hey, man, this is something I've been wanting to do since I've been in Koh Samui. You feel me? The Nam Muang waterfall. This is one of the biggest waterfalls in Koh Samui, and we here, man. Look at these damn dogs. Hey, we got the dogs out here. And I've been wanting to check this waterfall out since I've been here. Hey, Sawadee Krap. How are you? Waterfall. Okay. The dog lady. Hello, ma'am. Waterfall. This way. Okay.
About stone rainwater, be careful now.
Yes, ma'am.
You safety, okay.
Safety.
I pull right here, we go up.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so as you guys know, well, you might not know, it's rainy season here in Thailand. It's rainy season here in Thailand, and I've been wanting to give you guys more content, but it's been raining so much, I've been having to stay in the house. Oh my God, this is nice. Move out the way, doggy. So, like I was saying, I've been wanting to give you guys more content, but it's been raining so much, I couldn't really get out here. But this is the best time to come to a waterfall because the water will be flowing when it's raining. And this is, you know, the last time I went to a waterfall, I'm getting escorted by these dogs. They showing me how to go. The last time I went to a waterfall was in Pattaya. And it wasn't much of a waterfall. I climbed all the way up there and it wasn't nothing. But this is crazy how these dogs are leading me up this path to this waterfall. Look at him. Brad would be mad if he knew. I got tour guides, man. Brad would be jealous if he knew. They say it's about a 30-minute climb. So we climbing, baby. Let's go. You know, I was in the military, man, so, you know, I know my way through the woods a little piece. And you got these ropes. Oh, there go my tour guide up there. It's a little slippery because it rained all night. But you got these ropes here to guide you. So it's pretty cool. There go my tour guide. All right, I caught up, man. Let's go. Where we going? Come on, show me which way to go. Which way we going, bruh? All right. Sign say 2 right there. They got 2 parts to this waterfall. They got part 1 and part 2. Part 2 is supposed to be the highest one. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is a much better waterfall than the one in Pattaya. And we ain't even make it to the top. Let's keep going. Hey, and while I'm coming, if you like the content, please like, subscribe, and share. Y'all been doing me dirty. Y'all been doing me dirty now. I got some real good videos coming for y'all next, man. We're doing a lot of stuff down here in this island region. It's very natural, but you got everything for you to make it to the top. If you utilize everything, you can make it. We out here in the middle of nature. Y'all know I gotta bring y'all out here with me. This kind of stuff gives you a workout, and for me, it makes me feel alive when I'm out here. Wow. Gorgeous. Oh, shit. I always get caught up here, way up in the sky, when I'm afraid of heights. I don't know how to do it. And we got to go up here. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna check back with y'all when I get to the top. Yo, I see why this lady said be careful when you're going to the top, because this shit is slippery and dangerous. Had to come up out the hatch, y'all. God, look at it. Oh my. Oh my. Had to come up out the hatch, y'all. I'm up here now, shit. Ain't no turning back. I have to get the same little speech to myself every time I'm going through this. Right. This is Waterfall 2. Let's see what it do. Oh my God, y'all. This is beautiful. I hope the camera is doing it justice, man. This was worth the climb. Even the dog loved it. Amazing. Yeah, man. I just wanted to talk to y'all real quick while I was up here. You know what I'm saying? I just want to say, man, last year, I never could even imagine that this was possible. The only waterfall I ever seen was off 56 in Oakland Park Boulevard, man. You know what I'm saying? That's the closest thing to a waterfall I ever seen, man. Now I'm in the middle of one. Smoking, I'm chilling. I'm saying all that to say this, man. You never know where you're gonna be at in the future, man. Just keep going, man. Keep going, keep putting your best foot forward, and just keep being real, man. And who knows, man, the world is your oyster, man. Yeah. Man, we made it, y'all. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, share, and subscribe.